Ciao, I'm Chiara from Perfil e Segno and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this beautiful summer bracelet. It's a very easy project, great for beginners. For this project I use Cable 8 from Mondial. This is a 100% cotton yarn, a 1.75 millimeters hook, some small rings and a lobster clasp, plier and some pearls. So now we're going to create 5 flowers with popcorn stitch. So first we do a magic ring. Now chain 1, do not count as a stitch, then 6 single crochet inside the circle. Okay, now we pull the tail, then 1 slip stitch into the first single crochet to complete this first round. And now we are going to create the first petal using popcorn stitch. So we do chain 3, this counts as your first double crochet. Then we do 4 double crochets in the same stitch. So now remove your hook from the last stitch and insert it into the top of the beginning chain 3. Insert your hook into the last stitch and pull the last stitch through the top of the chain 3. Chain 2, and now do another popcorn stitch in the next stitch. So we do 5 double crochets. Now remove your hook from the last double crochet and insert it into the first double crochet of the 5 double crochets group. Insert your hook into the last double crochet and pull it through the first double crochet. Now chain 2 and repeat this all the way around. Chain 2 and now we do 1 slip stitch into the third chain to complete this round. Now we have 6 petals. Now we are going to increase in each of chain 2 space. So first we do 1 slip stitch into the next space, and now we do chain 3. Remember, this counts as your first double crochet. Then we do 4 double crochets in the same space. And now remove your hook from the last stitch and insert it into the top of the beginning chain 3. Insert your hook into the last stitch and pull the last stitch through the top of the chain 3. Chain 2, and we do another popcorn stitch in the same space. So we do 5 double crochets. Chain 2, and now we move directly into the next space where we do 2 sets of popcorn stitch. Continue this sequence until the end of this last round. And now we do one slip stitch into the third chain. Okay, now we have 12 petals, and now we are ready to cut the yarn, then weave the tail using a needle. And what we have to do now is to create another 4 flowers like this. Okay, my 5 flowers are done, so now we are going to attach them using some small rings. We use a plier to open each ring, then insert a small ring between the flowers. After that, place 3 small rings at the end of the bracelet and lobster clasp in the other side. And now we take 5 pairs, then we attach in the center of each flower using hot glue. The summer flower bracelet is now complete. This is a great project for beginner. It's really fast to make and I think it's very cute and very summery. So I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below. If you make your summer flower bracelet, remember to tag me and put the hashtag braccialettomania. Thank you for watching and I see you in the next video. Ciao and tanto love!